Hello, good morning students. How are you? All of you fine? Okay. Now we discuss about our new lesson. The lesson name is Festival Time. Festival Time. In India, there are more type of festivals we are enjoying. Different types of festivals we are enjoying. First one, Holi. Holi, Onam, Pongal, Lori and Makara Sankranti, Diwali, Eid, Guru Parab, Christmas. These are the most important festivals in India. Okay, then first we discuss about Holi. Holi is celebrated in the spring season. Which time we celebrated Holi? Yes, which time? Spring season. Okay, it is also called festivals of colors. It is also called the festivals of colors. Because they also threw colored water and each other. The Holi is celebrated in spring season. These are also called festivals of colors. Okay. Next one, Onam. Next festival is Onam. The month of August to September is the time of harvest and is celebrated as Onam in South India. The time of August to September we celebrated in Onam. Then floral decoration is done and around the house on the eve of Onam. At that time the floral decoration is done and around the sun around the house on the eve of Onam. Then Onam is mostly celebrated in Kerala. Onam is mostly celebrated in which place? Kerala. Okay. Then next one, Pongal. What is Pongal? Pongal is celebrated in the month of January. Pongal is celebrated at the month of January. It is the time of rice harvest and people offer prayer to the gods and enjoy. This time the people offer prayers and at the time of rice harvest. In this time the rice harvest and the people pray of the gods and enjoy. Then it is celebrated mainly in Tamil Nadu. Pongal is mainly celebrated in which place? Tamil Nadu. Then next one we discuss about Lohri and Makara Sankranti. Lohri and Makara Sankranti are very popular festival in Punjab and North India. People burn logs of woods to make a bonfire and throw reverie, popcorn and groundnuts. At that time the people burns logs of woods and they sing and dance. Okay, around the fire. They enjoy it with a dance. Then next one, Diwali. Next one, what is Diwali? Diwali is very important festival. This is also called the festival of light. Why? Yes, at that time the light was very important. candles and diyas are used to decorate house. At that time, candles and diyas are used to decorate house. Lord Rama killed the demon Ravana and returned his kingdom in Ayodhya, and his return is celebrated at Diwali. Lord Rama killed who? Lord Rama killed Ravana and returned to his kingdom. Ayodhya, and his return is celebrated in Diwali. Okay. Next one, Eid. Muslims celebrated Eid. Who celebrated Eid? Muslims celebrated Eid. At that time, they go to mosque and offer prayers. Eid time, the Muslims go to mosque and offer prayer. After that, they wish one another Eid Mubarak. After that, they wish Eid Mubarak. Okay. Then next one, Guru Parab. Guru Parab. The Sikhs celebrated Guru Parab. It is celebrated on the birthday of Sikh Gurus. They go to the Gurudwaras and offer prayers. The Sikh Guru's birthday is celebrated in 6. 6 is celebrated Guru's birthday. They go to Gurudwara and offer prayer. At that time, they go to Gurudwara and offer prayer. Then next one, we study about Christmas. Christians is celebrated in Christmas. Christians is celebrated Christmas. In which time? December 25th they celebrate Christmas. On this day, Lord Jesus' birthday. Lord Jesus' birthday is celebrated Christmas in Christians. Which time? December 25th. Okay. Then at that time they go to church and offer prayer. Okay, students? All of you understood? Okay. Then I will show you some pictures of India's festivals. You can see here some pictures. Onam, Diwali, Pongal, Christmas, Eid. You can see here Onam, Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, etc. Okay, my dear students. Okay. So all of you read very well. Okay. Thank you.